Today we're going to learn how to adjust the shutter speed on Sony ZV-1 Mark II. We'll show you 3 ways to do it. See all of them to choose the most convenient for you. Let's focus on doing this in manual mode M. In order to turn on this mode, go to the camera menu. Shooting settings. Shooting mode. Select manual mode from the list. Method 1. Control wheel. Press the control wheel downwards to toggle between shutter speed and aperture settings. Once the shutter speed is selected on the display, turn the control wheel to adjust it. Method 2. Touchscreen. If you prefer using the touchscreen, look for the shutter speed on the display when in shooting mode. Simply tap the shutter speed on the screen. This will bring up the option to adjust it. Swipe left or right to select the desired shutter speed. Tap to confirm your choice. Method 3. Menu settings. Open the camera's main menu by pressing the menu button. Navigate to Main Menu and find the option for shutter speed. Here you can select and adjust the shutter speed manually. Use the control wheel to set your preferred speed. Remember, faster shutter speeds freeze motion, whereas slower ones create a blur effect to capture movement. In low light, slow shutter speeds help gather more light, but using a tripod is essential to prevent camera shake.